information.
Hey, you cheating me, man.
I didn't cheat you. I just said 5 words. That's yours.
See, it's really fast. You just use what they give you and add the text. Put your own flair on it. So they're there. They're pre-made. Look, you have to add none of those graphics to it.
I will.
So when you come in, you share
There you go.
And then
Hey,
you
I
want
felt
to
wonderful. Thank you.
No, that's too blue. Let's back up.
Boy, Barry, that's what the kids call it.
That was too blue.
Jones, Dr. Jones,
Yeah.
can we like put our own picture in it and our own, like
Yeah.
take pictures from different?
Yep, we show you how to do that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna be coaching for a second. So, I have some uploads here because I had to do some stuff. So you go to upload and upload your files. So, okay, we want to bring this up stuff.
Just send us all your stuff. That's all you gotta do.
Here's me and my kids.
Well, you gotta send us your kids. That's kind of creepy.
Like here, you hit stop concept. Like you can put all kinds of stuff. You just upload it. Like whatever. Like just upload your own stuff. And you just add it over. So you can make it as customizable as you want. Like here's a big stop call thing. So we score with pride. And boom, you have add more PE, and we have some regular PE, and we're getting it done. Now we're ready to put it in CTLS. Are y'all ready to put it in CTLS?
Yes.
I am too, so let's do this. So y'all, unless you know how to work with files, when you go to download these, if you make multiple, I like making a whole unit for them at one time, so I can keep them in theme and just go and duplicate. Download them one at a time, unless you know how to detach files. That takes more time. It's either just download one at a time and rename them real fast. Takes a minute. So when you do that, you want to go over here to download. Make sure you keep it as a PNG, because CTLS likes PNGs. And you don't want all pages. You just want page 1. We just want to be Coach E for a second. So we're going to download Coach E. Okay, it's down there.
And like Jones, we're doing this differently because this one we're not gonna edit, correct? The download?
Yeah, we don't have to edit this one.
Okay, yeah, we're not
Yeah.
editing this one, so we're not embedding.
Honestly, nothing in coursework lacks code.
Gotcha.
Students can't see it.
Right.
I have tried everything to get students to see code. I have sent so many work orders in and tried to break it
So they can't
to
see
get
it.
it to fix it.
Gotcha.
Because it would make my life easier to write everything in code and put it up and be able to edit from code side, but it doesn't work.
Yeah.
I don't know why it doesn't work,
Well, it's kinda
but it
already-
doesn't work.
It's kind of already there, not that way, but it's kind of already there when you do the links and you edit one, it edits the other too, or some of them do.
It just doesn't like HTML in that side of it. It wants it as a file type and then it puts it into its own code, but I tried. So,
You just have to come here and upload it, yeah.
it is, yeah. So let's upload this one. So we are going to, okay, let's delete this one from earlier. Last spot don't count. So we are going to go into the little plus sign here. We need to add some fun text. And we want to go to the second image. That's the add image function. So the add picture. And we want to do the one that we just downloaded. So let's begin our downloads. And then if it's not automatically pulled up like mine are, you're just going to go to downloads and then hit the image. And there it
There
is.
you go.
And then save it, don't forget to save it.
Hey, Dr. Jones too, I had to show, Farmer, can you show the class too, like how to edit the name of the document on Canva?
Oh, yeah. So if you're in Canva, you're just going to click right here.
That was for the class, it's for everybody.
So we
So that way it won't
Coach
be-
E headers. And then when it downloads, I just recommend being like
add that big separate folder for me.
Doing this backwards is really hard. Just throw that out there. And then when it downloads, I would just take this and be like, rename, intro, header, page one. Like, they're all gonna have the same file type, like the same file name, if you did 4 pages, so you'll have them renamed as you download them sequentially. It just makes it so much faster.
Is that a regular account or premium account that we have?
We have Educator, cause there's Canva regular, Canva Education, Canva Teams, and Canva Corporate Pro. We have Canva Education. And if you don't have it through the Clever, just go and sign up using your Cobb County email address and you'll get it. It'll unlock within an hour.
Oh, okay.
And if you really like Canva, Canva Design School is amazing. But that's for another day, another PD. Okay, next slide. Okay, so that's banners. PNG, that's your friend. You upload using a picture in CTLS. And then it has all your steps. They're always in your slides if you want to come back and look at those. You can also, in Pages, do like these full pages. I'll show you what those look like in CTLS. So I have my like teacher introduction page in here. So I have to type all this up, and you know, like the color imaging and editing in CTLS isn't the best, and you don't have the most font choices. So I just made it in Canva as a flyer. Real estate flyers are your friend in Canva. Don't ever, ever, ever choose document in Canva. It is literally the worst file type in Canva. Never, ever, ever pick
So what
it.
kind do you use again?
Real estate flyer.
Real estate flower.
Real estate flyer, real estate flyer, real estate flyer.
Simple,
What do you use?
Real estate flyer.
Yes.
simple.
I'm just saving you heartache. Just use real estate flyer. It allows you to move your text around, add graphics, add images. You have more editability access. It's just a better file type. Your text stays, whether you go large into a poster size or smaller into a half size sheet, all of your stuff stays really well pixelated. It's just a better file type. So this is an option for you to do if this is like something that you add to your Canva page. Again, you're just gonna add it as a picture. This is a PNG, just like that little banner was. I make these study tool documents, so my kids always have access to study tools at home. Again, that's a PNG, and then the file is linked, so they have all of the hyperlinks accessible. So if they are YouTube people, or Quizlet people, or website people that want to play games, they have resources to study without me being available at home. So those are all ready for them. There's so many ways that you can use Canva in your classroom. We have to post our learning targets, so you make these learning target posters, again, just a PNG. So this is, again, just a flyer. So this text is very small, but it's very legible still as an image, because it holds that pixels very well. In science, we have our standards, cross-fit concepts, and SCPs, which are our 3 frameworks of science, all there for the students to understand. And all of our standards are different based on what concept you are. So it's just there for them. We talk about each of these in class. So there's just different ways that you can use Canva to build out graphics, to make these more, I don't know, visually friendly for the students to break down the content.
Exactly.
Again, when you put them in CTLS, we're gonna do the same thing we did here. They're just PNGs, same exact steps. Okay, the most tricky one, parent. Parent is the least friendly of all of these and the most likely to go wrong. So use at your discretion. I've had a very high success rates and a very low failure rate. with them failing, with some things not posting correctly. I've been doing this for 3 years now, with very few things going wonky. And if I break it, I can repair it very quickly. Parents, different story. So, tips and tricks, things change. Every update, parent changes, which y'all know. Parent is the most volatile right now. So these could change with another update. So just know that this is the most likely to change. The other ones are pretty stable. This one could change. So with parent, in your messages, you have the least number of options in your messages. You can literally type in text, or you have an option for an attachment. And even your attachments are limited. But if you need to attach something, and you're making something for Canva, your best bet is to create something like a real estate flyer or a classroom announcement and attach it as PDF standard. Because then, if you attach it as PDF standard, all of your hyperlinks are live links. So like I made this flyer for our field trip last year, and what I did, I hyperlinked all the information for the trip. I hyperlinked the My Payments Plus link directly there, so they're not having to search all over the website. They're like, I can't find the link. Where's My Payments Plus at? Where do I go to get that? It's right there. I also hyperlinked Parent View, because finding that little permission form thing on Parent View is very hard. It's multiple steps. So not only did I list the steps on how to do there, I got them to the first step. So they're not having to flounder just getting to the first step. So I got them there, and then they just had to follow along. So everything was hyperlinked within the PDF that I sent out. So text within the messages, and then attached PDF with all the links ready for them to go. So that's about as much as you can do in messages themselves when it comes to like Canva creations. Very limited there. If you do anything in the PNG here, you lose all link access. It has to be a PDF to save your links. So PDF standard is right here. PDF standard. And then last but not least, I know, a lot of information, is your parent post. So parent post, you have a lot more accessibility to be able to do more stuff. Parent posts give you the option to use code, but it doesn't work. I tested it again this morning to see if it finally works, and I sent myself a text message, and it was blank. It was just lines of code. Don't use it. So your parents are gonna be like, why are they sending me this rubbish? And you're just gonna confuse your parents. And that's the last thing we need. So don't use it yet. I guess the next update we'll try again. So I'll keep tinkering with it, and we'll see. I mean, I guess everybody's tinkering with it. Technology, they're smarter than I am. I just try to break things. So right now, your best bet is to embed your images and then attach your PDFs. Again, if you embed an image, you're gonna lose your links. So if you have any kind of links embedded, it will not embed as an image. So you have to use a PDF, but there are options there to put your PDF in the embedded message. But that's CTLS parent. That's as much as you can do there for your post. But again, that's gonna go out to everybody. So it's not as specific to one person. It's gonna be up, you know, for your field trips, for your classroom messages, or things like that.
Do you send this out as a post or a message? A news. If I was to send a newsletter, would you send it out as a post or a message?
I would send it out as a post, because then you'll have all those editability features, so you can actually like embed it as an image and then attach the PDF, so the parents will have both options.